Hi students, and welcome to week 4 in your online lifespan growth and development class. This week brings us to week 4. It's hard to believe that by the end of the week we will be a quarter of the way through the semester already. So you're doing a great job. Keep it up. So this week we are covering the first 2 years like we did last week. So last week we looked at the first 2 years in terms of body-mind development. This week we will stay in the first 2 years of life, but be studying the psychosocial development. So we'll really kind of look at that cognitive advancements that are made, acquisition of language, the start of that, and really kind of deep dive into the social aspect of a 0 to 2-year-old as well. So some interesting topics certainly to discuss for the week. So I want to just kind of talk about what you can expect for the week. So make sure you read chapter 4. You can go over the slides for chapter 4. You have a quiz over chapter 4, and then also a journal due this week. So you've already done one journal. You did very, very well on those. So same concept, just a different journal prompt that you'll be talking about or writing about this week. So those are your assignments for the week. I want to point out, I don't know if I have football fans, or maybe you're fans of Super Bowl snacks, or maybe you're excited about the halftime show like I am. Those are the musicians that I listened to back in the 90s. So I'm super excited about the halftime show. Whatever the case is, I want to point out to you that your quiz and your journal number 2 are due on February 13th, which is also Super Bowl day evening. So make sure that you plan accordingly so I don't interfere, your classwork and me don't interfere with your Super Bowl plans. So get it done ahead of time. And I also just want to, once again, I talked quite a bit about this last week. I had some great email questions. Keep sending those my way if you have them. February 20th. So now you have, after this week, another week, week 5 is what I'm trying to say, your Piaget conservation of liquids is due. So I hope you're thinking about that and just kind of planning accordingly. So I think that is everything for this week. I am thinking about you guys. I'm filming this on Thursday, February 3rd, which is, we woke up this morning with San Antonio covered in ice. Dangerous roads out there. It seems that, at least since I've been up this morning, the temperature's dropping. So by the time you watch this, I hope that we're on the other side of this ice winter storm. But I just want you to know I'm thinking about you. I'm hoping that you're safe and warm and healthy and that this doesn't get too bad. So have a great week, everyone. Quiz, journal, and starting to work on that Piaget that isn't due until February 20th. Reach out if you have any questions whatsoever. You guys are really doing a great job. Keep up the hard work. Take care, everybody.